Today, let's talk about the way that you fix your Instagram account login error. If you're having issues logging into your Instagram account, in today's video, let's talk about the few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first things first, what you need to do is verify your credentials and make sure that the login information that you're entering are correct. The second thing that you can do is try to check your internet connection. Sometimes having a laggy internet will also prevent you from logging in to your Instagram account. The third thing that you can do is try to check for any new updates available. If you make sure that all of the information you enter are correct, this is going to be the important step where you need to see if there are any new updates available for the Instagram application. You quickly need to head over to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Instagram, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you hit that update button. What you can also do is try to clear the cache of your Instagram app. If you're using an Android device, tap and hold the app of Instagram, head over to App Info, and from this setting on the bottom left, on the bottom right, you'll see the option called Clear Data. You can just tap on this option and make sure you tap on Clear All Data. What this will do is clear out any caches which might be causing this issue. That's about it for today's video. I'm gonna see you in the next one.